Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be adding some leather to the front jaw of my bench vise. So here is my main workbench vise. It's a record 52.5p vise. I bought this on eBay a while ago and restored it, and then I installed it into this workbench. I have videos about how I restored it and how I installed it to this bench. If you'd like to see those videos, I'll leave links to those videos in the description box. I then added some nice oak jaws to the vise and I've been really happy with it. It's got a great capacity, nice, and it comes out nice and wide. You can put big work pieces in here and it's nice and strong, really durable. I'd highly recommend, if you're getting into woodworking and you can come across one of these cheap, pick one up. They're a great vise. So since I bought this vise, I haven't had any problems with it. But recently I came across an article by Paul Sellers who suggests to add leather to the front jaw of your woodworking vise, and that helps with grip. It gives you extra grip on workpieces, and it also helps to protect more delicate workpieces. And he also mentions that there's probably no need to add leather to the rear jaw, I think, because just having it on the front allows for that extra grip and offers that extra protection for delicate workpieces, but it also allows the vise to have a nice strong clamping capacity, and you don't lose too much of that strength with the squish of the leather. That's how I understood it anyway. So in this video I'll be adding leather to the front jaws of this vise. So here is the leather that I'll be adding to the vise jaw. Nice stiff leather. It's a scrap off cut. It's about 2 or 3 mil thick. Any old leather will do. Whatever you've got lying around should do the job. So the first thing I needed to do was to remove the front jaw from the vise. So I just needed to unscrew those 2 little screws there holding it on at the front. And then I offered it up against my piece of scrap leather, and with a marker pen I can then draw around it, leaving a bit of excess all the way around. And then I could cut out this shape with the scissors. So to attach it, I'm going to be using this spray adhesive. I always use this when sticking leather to wood. I found it to be the best material. I use this to make leather strops and it sticks the leather really well. So this is what I usually do when I'm making strops. I use 2 flat surfaces, offer up the wood to the leather, push it nice and firm, and then add another flat surface over the top, and then add some weight. Then the next day when it was set, I took a nice fresh blade and cut off the excess. And then just removed any bits with a brush. So now to add the jaw back into the vise, I could get it slotted in roughly in the correct position, offer up the screws and just get them started off. And then just clamp it nice and tight in position, get everything nicely lined up and tighten up the screws. So for a quick test, I've just got a strip of wood here and it really does grip down on that wood very well, and it works well on slimmer pieces too. You can see that wood's going nowhere. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. A nice quick and simple little modification to this bench vise. I can already tell that the grip is much improved now. Even small thin bits of wood, they grip really well in this vise now. Just using that scrap bit of leather, it gives you that little bit of extra confidence that nothing's going to slip. Really quick and easy to do, so why not try it out for yourself? If you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.